Thank you for coming back for this second session. It is a lot of talking again in this session, but please, hopefully, if you can, stay with me. And this session is simply called fundraising. So the previous session was project design, this session is called fundraising. Okay, I'm going to get started. This is the team involved in the Innovative Manufacturing in Africa project. And the purpose of this package is to help bring more money to the makerspaces that are involved in the RISA project, but also to the wider ecosystem. And it's recognizing of the fact that makerspace managers are often needed to be fundraisers. And you may never have had any support in fundraising before. So we want to try and give you some help. Really, it's about tips and tricks. We're not going to teach you the basics of fundraising, things like the application for how to, find an opportunity that fits. We covered some of that last time, but a lot of that is really basic. What we're doing is taking it slightly higher level on sort of tips and tricks, looking at quality and looking at improving success rate. So I know a number of you haven't had much experience with fundraising before, but some of you have, and this is about going to the next level. So this isn't the sort of basic introduction to the stages of a fundraising process or something. This is really about tips and tricks, quality and success. We have 5 webinars in this series, and this is webinar 2. The next week's is on tendering, and there'll be pricing, and then there'll be something about structures for success, which is about how you run an organization once you've received the funding so that you can continue to win funding. We're also going to be publishing some of the templates that we talk about in the slides alongside the slides. That's going to come a bit later under an open license so that anyone can use it. And tips and tricks is basically what I'm going to be talking about. Throughout the whole 2-hour webinar, we're going to try and take a break about halfway through. So in about 45 minutes time. And this is the general layout of the module.